Hey you guys, Courtney here. How's everybody doing? Welcome to me, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. If you do like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe and hit the ring bell. I will support you back, like always. If this is not your first time, then hey you guys, what's up? So today I am doing a look, and I look a really speedy, super fast because I'm late for work. I look with the Pretty Poison palette, and I am using a different camera view. So you guys will have to excuse me. I'm using my front facing camera and it is so unflattering, straight up. Super unflattering. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look on my face and how beautiful this Pretty Poison palette really is, you know the drill. Keep on watching. I'll be right back. I am in a very big hurry for work, so I'm gonna have to keep looking over there and make sure everything's okay. So I'm gonna be looking at myself in the camera, in the actual camera, to get ready, and maybe even in the mirror. But either way, this is a different setup for me. I'm just gonna try it, and I'm just gonna put this fast forward if I can get this uploaded in the right direction. Okay, so first thing that I do when I'm in a big hurry is I get all my brushes that I think I might use for my eyes, and I put them right here in front of me, like super, like really like right here in front of me. So I do want to use the Pretty Poison palette. Okay, so this is going to be kind of weird for me because I never shoot in this angle. So I'm going to take this big Morphe brush. It's an M461. And this is a duo fiber long fluffy brush. And I'm just basically going to just put color all over my lid with this. I'm only going to be using 3 colors, probably, maybe 4. But I'm going to do multiple looks with this palette, so you guys will be able to see different looks. So I'm dipping into this InStore color here. That's the color that I'm using on my eyes right now. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my Morphe 433, and I'm going to take the... Let's see. I'm going to take this second shade here, this mauve shade. It's called Pierced Heart. I love this palette so much. And I'm just going to build up a transition. I use this brush when I'm in a hurry because this brush blends and it also applies color at the same time. Okay, so just in real time, it is 5:28, okay? So let's see how quick I can get this done. Okay, I'm going to take this Tarte brush. I'm going to go into that InStore color again, the lighter color. And I'm going to go ahead and take care of my brow bone. And then I am going to take my detail brush here, Morphe, set 514, and I want to do more pink today, so I think I'm going to do go into the Love Stick color right here, which is a shimmer. It is a shimmer. And I'm just going to pop this right in the mid crease. Blend. So just the FYI, you guys, I have not gotten my Ipsy Plus. I got a message from Ipsy Plus yesterday saying that since they are so late with my Ipsy, then they are going to send me my next month for free. And I was like, thank you. That's amazing. Because I really can't afford it anyways. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the second transition color, my Luxie brush, and I'm just going to kind of try to soften this up a little bit. That's the Pure Start color. Okay, now I'm going to take my other small Luxie brush. I'm going to dip into the color Jealousy. That is another maroon, that dark maroon shade. It is also a shimmer. And I'm going to deepen up this outer corner. Blending brush and go over that. Right, I'm going to do this other pink color here, right here. I'm going to pop that on the rest of my lid. These shadows are very soft and very easy to work with. This is a great palette. This is almost, it has like an opalescent effect to it, this color here. It's got a blue undertone for sure. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color Paralyzed up here, and I'm also going to pop that in the middle just to give it a little oomph. Closer to the lash line. Because the white color in here is actually way more, it's way more iridescent than what you would think. Just by looking at it, it's like an opal, like a clear opal. Alright, now I'm just going to run through it with my E35 blender. Lower lash line. I'm going to use the Jealousy color and the Lipstick color mixed together. I'm really going to smooth this bottom lash line out. I'm going to come in with the transition shade. And also bring a little bit more depth to up here. And just kind of fan that in. I am not going to do my brows today. I am going to brush them. Y'all, this Pretty Poison palette is gorgeous. I can't wait to play with it some more. I'm going to take my Scone liquid liner and I am going to tight line. Sherry, I don't know if you got this Scone liner or not, but if you got this Scone liner and you don't like it, as far as not being a brush tip, it looks like this. Oh, excuse me, like this. If you don't like it, throw it in my box, because I really love it. This is the best rim liner, and my eyes do not react to it in a negative way. That's why I love it. Precision formula. Okay, one thing I did forget was inner corner highlight. Bring out my O Front DQ Tutorials inner corner highlight. I'm going to dip into the white color here. yesterday when I did this, I did not do a tight line eyeliner, an inner rim liner, and I use mostly purples. So now all I have to do is my lashes and put on a lippie, and I am done with my look. And it is 5:42. I'm gonna use this Bad Habit that my friend Lisa gave me. This is in the color Centerpiece. It's a little warm for this look, so I was going to cool it down by putting a topper over it. And this is something that was a present from my friend Shannon. This is the Buxom Gloss in Amanda. And this just gives me that opal sheen that I like. I'm going to take that with me to work. I love this gloss. It's so beautiful. Roller lash. I do not like my front facing camera, but you guys can kind of see how beautiful those shadows are. They are very, very easy to blend with, and they're very easy to work with. So I really love them. And I love the way that this look turned out. I hope you guys like it. Pretty Poison palette. I love it. I think it turned out amazing. And I'm sorry about the bad camera work for this one, but I'm in a really big hurry, and I think I did it. I did it in less than 15 minutes. So I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty doggone good for me, because I'm usually really slow. So, hope you all have a wonderful night, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to tap that like, hit on the subscribe, and hit on my ringing email, and I will support you back. Do not forget about the holiday giveaway that I'm doing with Miss Shannon Moody. It is a collab. You have to be subscribed to both of us, so you'll have to go and click on my channel and look for the holiday collab giveaway video, and all the information will be in that video. So y'all have a wonderful evening, day, night, whenever you're watching me. Love you all, but I want to argue with you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.